Question number 81. Bromobenzene reacts with Mg in the presence of ether to produce salt A, which reacts with carbon dioxide to form compound B. B on hydrolysis produces. Let's check what happens here. We have bromobenzene first. It is reacting with Mg. It means this is a reaction just taking place in the presence of dry ether. That's why it's a formation of Grignard reagent. Very well known reagent, that is this. Now what you are doing further, you are just adding this, mixing this with carbon dioxide. There is a reaction between these two and the formation of next compound is formed, that is compound B. This compound B is COO MgBr. This is the compound that's formed. It is compound B. Now, what you are going to do? You are just going to do its hydrolysis. And hydrolysis results in the formation of carboxylic acid. That is COOH. What is this? This is benzoic acid, and this is given here in option 1. For this question, correct answer is option 1. Let's take question number 82. Question number 82. Observe the following compounds. We have different compounds given here, and if you look at these compounds, you will identify these are either aldehyde or ketones. We need to just check whether these given options are correct or not. First option, A, B, C will give aldol condensation reaction. A, B and D will give aldol condensation reaction. This is the second option. Further, B, D and E will give Cannizzaro reaction, and in the fourth option it's given C and E will give Cannizzaro reaction. Here you should know that if we talk about aldol condensation, or Cannizzaro reaction, in case of aldehyde or ketones in which alpha hydrogen is present, then aldol condensation occurs. While in the absence of alpha hydrogen to the aldehyde or keto group, Cannizzaro reaction is there. If we talk about the first option, that is propanaldehyde, in this case there is the presence of alpha hydrogen to this aldehyde group, and due to that it is undergoing aldol condensation. So this is showing aldol condensation. I am writing here A to represent aldol condensation. Further, we have the next option. There is acetone. In acetone, alpha to this keto group, there are two methyl groups in which alpha hydrogen is present. That's why it can undergo aldol condensation. In case of option D, aldol reaction is possible, but aldol condensation is not possible. So I can write here no condensation. But if I talk about compound C, phenyl ring is there, and aldehyde group. Benzaldehyde is that, and the structure of benzaldehyde I'll draw here. You know that this is CHO, and alpha to this there is no free hydrogen, and that's why in this case aldol condensation is not possible. Only Cannizzaro reaction can possible. Further, HCHO, formaldehyde. In case of formaldehyde, there is no alpha hydrogen. That's why it is also undergoing Cannizzaro reaction. It means option 4, which states C and E will undergo Cannizzaro reaction. That's why it's correct. And the correct answer is option 4. For question number 83, benzamide on treatment with bromine and alkali gives. Just recall this reaction. Benzamide is benzene ring at which amide group is present, CONH2. And what you are doing? You are treating it with bromine and certain alkali, NaOH suppose. Now, during this reaction, there is the formation of aromatic amine, aniline, and this reaction is known as Hofmann bromamide degradation. This is the reaction. we'll choose correctly option 1 for this question. Question number 84. Which of the following is an evidence of cyclic structure of glucose? Let's check. Heating of glucose with HI to produce N-hexane. It represents that glucose contains 6 carbon atom, not it is showing the cyclic structure of glucose. Further, oxidation of glucose with nitric acid. No, it's not showing its cyclic structure. Further, glucose reacts with hydroxylamine to form anoxine. It is also not showing the evidence for cyclic structure. Further, glucose does not give 2,4-DNP test. Yes, free aldehyde group always give this 2,4-DNP test, but in case of glucose, that aldehyde group is not free. It means it is present in the form of cyclic hemiacetal. That's why it is not performing this test, 2,4-DNP test, and that's why this is the correct evidence for the cyclic structure of glucose, and the option that's correct is option 4. Question number 85. Among the following biodegradable polymer is? A simple question from the polymers chapter, and you should know that biodegradable polymer is nylon 2, nylon 6. That's given here in option 1, and for this question option 1 is the correct option. After that,